All right, let's dive right in. Have you ever felt like you're standing on the edge of a new financial frontier, eager to explore the world of cryptocurrency, but you're just not sure where to start? You've heard about digital assets, the potential for decentralized finance, and maybe even the buzz around specific platforms like Newton. But then, you hit that first roadblock. How do I even get my wallet address? It's a question that plagues many newcomers, and honestly, even some seasoned crypto enthusiasts sometimes need a refresher. You know you need an address to receive, send, and manage your digital assets, but the process can feel shrouded in mystery, especially when you're dealing with a specific platform like Newton. Think of it like this. Imagine you're moving to a new city. You know you need a physical address to receive mail, to tell people where you live, and to establish yourself in the community. Your crypto wallet address is essentially your digital address in the world of cryptocurrency. It's the unique string of characters that identifies your account on the blockchain, allowing you to interact with the digital economy. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of generating your Newton wallet address, let's take a quick moment to understand what Newton is and why it's becoming a popular choice for many Canadians. Newton is a cryptocurrency trading platform that's designed to be user-friendly and accessible, especially for beginners. It offers a range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and a streamlined interface. But like any platform, you need to understand the fundamentals to get the most out of it. So, why is your wallet address so crucial? Well, without it, you can't receive any cryptocurrency. It's like trying to receive a package without providing your home address. It's simply not going to happen. Your wallet address is the destination for any digital assets sent to you on the Newton platform. Now, let's get down to the practical steps. Here's how you can generate your Newton wallet address. Step 1. Create or log into your Newton account. First and foremost, you need to have a Newton account. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to go through the registration process, which typically involves providing your email address, creating a secure password, and completing any necessary verification steps. This is crucial for security and compliance purposes. Once your account is set up, log into the Newton platform either through their website or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to the funding or deposit section. After logging in, you'll need to find the section related to funding or deposits. This is where you'll initiate the process of adding cryptocurrency to your Newton account. The layout might vary slightly depending on whether you're using the web version or the mobile app, but generally, you'll find it in a prominent menu or dashboard area. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Newton supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. You'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. This is important because each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. If you send the wrong cryptocurrency to the wrong address, you risk losing your funds. Step 4. Generate your wallet address. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, you should see an option to generate or display your wallet address. This might be labeled as deposit address, receive address, or something similar. Click on this option, and the platform will generate a unique wallet address for you. Step 5. Copy and secure your wallet address. Your wallet address will be displayed as a long string of alphanumeric characters. It's crucial to copy this address accurately. Any errors in the address can result in lost funds. Most platforms provide a copy button to ensure accuracy. Once you've copied the address, store it securely. You can save it in a password manager, write it down on a piece of paper, and store it in a safe place, or use any other method that you find reliable. Remember, your wallet address is sensitive information, so it's important to keep it safe and secure. Important considerations. Network compatibility. Always ensure that the cryptocurrency you're sending is compatible with the network of the wallet address. For example, if you're sending Ethereum, make sure you're using an Ethereum wallet address. Sending cryptocurrency to the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Address verification. Before sending any large amounts of cryptocurrency, it's always a good idea to send a small test transaction first. This allows you to verify that the address is correct and that the transaction is processed successfully. Security best practices: never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. These are the keys to your wallet, and anyone who has them can access your funds. Newton will not ask you for your private keys. Platform updates: cryptocurrency platforms are constantly evolving, so the steps for generating a wallet address might change slightly over time. Always refer to the official Newton documentation or support resources for the most up-to-date information. Troubleshooting common issues. Address not appearing: if you're having trouble finding your wallet address, double-check that you've selected the correct cryptocurrency and that you're in the funding or deposit section. You may also need to refresh the page or restart the app. Address errors: if you receive an error message when trying to copy or use your wallet address, double-check that you've copied it correctly. Even a single incorrect character can render the address invalid. Transaction delays: cryptocurrency transactions can sometimes take time to process, especially during periods of high network congestion. If your transaction is taking longer than expected, check the network status and be patient. Support: if you encounter any issues that you can't resolve on your own, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support. They can provide assistance and guidance to help you resolve any problems. Beyond the basics. Understanding how to generate your wallet address is just the first step in your cryptocurrency journey. As you become more familiar with Newton and the world of digital assets, you will want to explore other features and functionalities. This might include trading: learning how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the Newton platform. Security: implementing advanced security measures such as two-factor authentication and hardware wallets. Portfolio management: tracking your cryptocurrency investments and managing your portfolio. Staying informed: keeping up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed and continue learning. By understanding the fundamentals and staying up to date with the latest developments, you can navigate the digital economy with confidence and make informed decisions about your investments. Generating your Newton wallet address is a fundamental step in your cryptocurrency journey. It's the gateway to receiving and managing your digital assets on the platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to security best practices, you can ensure a smooth and secure experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.